Yeah, you know, people have been hating on me a lot lately. You know, and all them other rappers, they're all saying shit about me, saying, you know, you give hip-hop a bad name, and you the faggot of hip-hop, and eat a dick smouse, and...
Die asshole.
Who said that?
That was Hov, Jay-Z.
He said that?
Yeah.
But it's a constant problem, you know, it's a problem.
It's hard.
I got an image, even though I'm so popular, I got an image of being a little bit of a faggot, you know what I'm saying? I'm not like that, you know? Because you know what? When my album broke, I got a lot of fans writing to me saying, you Smouse, you gotta write some of your own shit, you know? You gotta write some more gangster shit, you know? But I said, the problem is, I got a contract that says I can't cuss, you know what I'm saying? I can't cuss. You know, it's a hard thing, you know, there's a lot that I can't say. I can't portray the image that I want to portray. I'm limited. And I thought, you know what I'm limited by? A motherfucking record company. You know, and that company don't own my ass. I owns their ass. If I can cuss, you know, imagine all the words I can use. I can use words like dick and poo and bitch. Asshole, ass. Motherfucker, you got another vocabulary, you know what I'm saying? You got a dictionary of words there that you can throw into some tracks that's gonna blow people's minds and realize that you are more thug than they thought you were. Drum and beat, slow beat. Balls, balls. I got big black balls. Let me show you my big black balls. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. You're a big fat motherfucking bitch. Yeah. Poo on you. Poo on you. Put my butt on your face and poo on you. Dick on my shoulder. Get your dick out my shoulder. You should go to sleep and get your dick out my shoulder. Put it away. Put it away. Put it away. Put your motherfucking dick away. Yeah, oh, those tracks, yeah, man.
Crazy.
We worked up that track Poo on You, and we put that shit online. We even made ourselves a motherfucking music video, you know what I'm saying? Pirate style, without telling Junk Rock. Poo on you, poo on you. Put my butt on your face and poo on you.
We were pissed off big time. We tried to get as many illegal copies as we could and shut down the websites.
Everybody get down and let me show you some brown.
That was a blatant breach of contract. We're ready to roll the second album, and that's not an image any of us want out there.
To all my fans,